Hello everyone, we're MinewSemi at IOTE 2025 and our booth number is 10B36. So today we would like to introduce you guys about our latest Bluetooth 16.0 channel sounding demo kit. The Bluetooth channel sounding is a key feature of Bluetooth Core Specification 6.0. It's enabled to accurate and secure the distance measurement between two connected devices. For our demo kit, you can see it's included two ME54BS01 BLE module paired with the ME54BE01 development board and preloaded with Nordic Smart Channel Sounding firmware. One device acts as the Initiator and the other one acts as the Reflector. It achieves centimeter accuracy in distance measurement with exceptional speed and also zero failure. So for our ME54BS01 module, it's based on Nordic NRF54L15 SoC, and which delivers ultra-low power consumption, long range, and also stable connectivity. Also, we are so proud to partner with Metronics, a leader German wireless solution provider. They specialize in high accuracy distance measurement and direction finding. So for their advanced firmware, it's fully compatible with our NRF54 series module, which makes it easier than ever to integrate precise ranging into applications such as smart home and automation industrial, indoor and outdoor navigation, asset tracking, so on. For more information, please feel free to scan the QR code on the screen. And if you have free time, please come to talk with us directly at the booth. We'll be happy to communicate with you and show you the demo in person. Thank you.